Now that we have successfully compiled our contract, it's time to migrate them to the blockchain. A migration is a deployment script meant to alter the state of your application's contracts, moving it from one state to another. For the first migration, you might just be deploying new code, but over time, other migrations might move data around or replace a contract with a new one. You will see one JavaScript file already in the migrations directory, one underscore initial underscore migration.js. This handles deploying the migration contract to observe subsequent smart contract migrations and ensure we don't double migrate unchanged contract in the future. Now we are ready to create our own migration script. Create a new file named to underscore deploy underscore contracts.js in the migrations directory, where adoption is equal to artifacts dot require adoptions. Module.exports is equal to function deployer.deploy adoption. Before we can migrate our contract to the blockchain, we need to have a blockchain running. For this tutorial, we are going to use Ganache, a personal blockchain for Ethereum development. You can use to deploy contract, develop application, and run tests. If you haven't already, download Ganache and double-click the icon to launch the application. And this will generate a blockchain running locally on port 7545. When we open the Ganache, we can notice the current block is showing 0 and the balance of the first address showing 100 ETH. Back in our terminal, migrate our contract to the blockchain using Truffle migrate. You should see the output similar like this. You can see the migration being executed in order, followed by some information related to each migration, and your information might be different. In Ganache, note that the state of the blockchain has changed. The blockchain now shows that the current block, previously 0, is now 4. In addition, while the first account originally had 100 Ether, is now lower due to the transaction cost of migration.